Welcome to our exploration of the top 5 military trucks built for battlefield dominance. In this journey, we'll delve into the world of rugged, versatile and resilient machines designed to excel in the most challenging terrains and combat scenarios. Our first contender is the Oshkosh M1070 Heavy Equipment Transporter, often referred to as the Head. This colossal beast is the backbone of heavy equipment transport, capable of hauling some of the military's heaviest machinery, including tanks and armored vehicles. Renowned for its 8x8 drive configuration and robust design, the Head is a critical asset for rapid and secure equipment deployment in the battlefield. Moving on to our next variant, the Navistar International MXT-MV. Built with a relentless off-road capability and rugged design, the MXT-MV is a versatile troop carrier and utility vehicle. Its ability to navigate challenging terrain while providing exceptional protection and transport capacity makes it a formidable asset for combat support and logistical operations in demanding environments. Our exploration takes us to the Mercedes-Benz Atros, a military truck revered for its off-road prowess and versatility. Whether it's carrying vital cargo, transporting troops, or serving as a mobile command center, the Atros embodies resilience and agility. Its adaptability makes it a go-to solution for diverse missions, proving the mettle in the harshest of environments. Venturing further, we encountered the Kamaz Typhoon, a modern marvel constructed for battlefield exigencies. Designed to withstand landmines and improvised explosive devices, the Typhoon is a protective and adaptable workhorse pivotal for safeguarded troop transport and secured logistical operations. Its contemporary design and robust features position it as a frontline asset in complex combat environments. Rounding out our top 5, we pay tribute to history with the GMC CCKW, famously known as the Deuce and a Half. Although originating from World War II, the Deuce and a Half remains an iconic symbol of military transport resilience. Its rugged build and versatile applications made it an indispensable asset in multiple conflicts, exemplifying durability and adaptability in challenging battlefield conditions. Thanks for exploring the top 5 military trucks with us. Like and subscribe for more Cyrillian military content. Got a favorite truck or a topic for our next video? Let us know in the comments below. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.